Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's hopes of succeeding President Emmerson Mnangagwa have suffered a major blow after ZANU-PF announced plans to use its forthcoming annual conference to endorse Mnangagwa's continued rule until 2030, effectively sidelining his deputy and cementing the presidency dominance over the ruling party. Sabida mashoko budanyo kwashinzi vipi Chiwenga loses power battle to subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina mzimai panapa mu update budanyo la chiti. The endorsement to be formalized and the Mutare conference next week marks a turning point in ZANU-PF's succession politics and reinforces Mnangagwa's control following months of factional tensions. It also follows last year's controversial resolution to extend his leadership beyond the traditional two-term framework, a move that weakened divisions between Mnangagwa loyalists and the camp aligned to Chiwenga. Party sources say infighting has intensified in recent months, spilling into heated Politburo meetings. In one such meeting last month, Chiwenga reportedly presented a dossier accusing some of Mnangagwa's inner circle of grand corruption, an act interpreted by many as an open challenge to president's authority. But in what analysts view as a strategic counter-attack, ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mchangwa publicly reaffirmed the party's unwavering support for Mnangagwa, dismissing talk of factionalism and hinting that those harboring presidential ambitions would be crushed by the collective will of the party. The organs, the provinces, and the party membership are quite happy with the excellency, says stewardship of the party and membership. Mchangwa told the Zimbabwe Independent. Their dictum is, if it ain't broke, why try to fix it? The delegates have expressly and vehemently resolved to continue with His Excellence to 2030. They have drowned out other noises of unbridled, undeserving, and self-centered ambitions. Mchangwa said the Mutare conference will demonstrate party unity and silence critics, a statement interpreted as an indirect rebuke of Chiwenga's faction. Thomas Karubuda Pangwa ino zvinzi aiwa the Chiwenga camp will lose my hopes after kunzi ZANU-PF wakomana vari aligned in 2030 vaya vachiti aiwa pa this conference they are going to seal kuti mutungamiri wenyika ahabe for ma 2030 ambitions. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitwa chimene comment section mero mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.